What is going on, everyone? Welcome to this review video. In this video, I'm going over Ted's Woodworking, over 16,000 plans for you to follow, for you to use, over 24,000 satisfied customers and counting, suitable for all skill levels. And I just want to let you know I'm a huge fan of what Ted does, and I've been following him for quite a while now. I'm part of his group, and I was able to get a very good discount. So if you actually click the link right below this video, you're going to get access to a discount and a special page, and you're going to get access to this page right here. So click the link below and get access to this page right here. And what I'm going to do right now is kind of briefly go over what's on this page and what this is and how it works and how this can definitely help you take your woodworking to the next level and really give you essentially an unlimited amount of things to do. And whether this is something you want to do for a living or whether this is something you want to do as a hobby, just how this can essentially help you. And so like I said, if you click the link right below this video, you're going to get access to this page right here, and it's going to have a discount. But what I recommend you actually do first is you actually click the link below and watch this video right here. And it's going to give you the very best step-by-step, very detailed outlook of what you're going to be getting. So like I said, click the link below, watch this video, and then what I want you to do is just go to this page and read everything that's here. For example, let's take a look at the testimonials. These are people that are actually in the group, and as you can see, great projects. Ted, I got your entire package yesterday. The amount of plans is mind-boggling. Actually, been looking for something like this for the longest time. Glad I found out about you guys. Yada, yada, yada. There's just tons of people. They have so much to do. They have so much, whether you want to sell these or whether you want to do this as a hobby, they have tons and tons and tons of things to do. And here's just an example of different projects that are available inside this package. So you have, tables, lawn chairs, chair sets, desks, living room tables. Look at this little wine holder right there. Work desk, and just a bunch of random things. Pretty sweet swing set right there. Picnic table. There's just a ton of different plans here, and like I said, I really recommend that you click the link below this video. You can watch the review video. It's video Ted does to explain everything you get. This one at the top, right here. So go ahead and watch that video, and then go ahead and read through all the testimonials, look at all the different items you can build with this package, and it's just a very step-by-step, details everything you're going to be getting. Everything from artwork display. Where was it? See, artwork display, bathroom unit, box designs, wagon designs, wind generator, windmills. There's just so much that you get access to, and as soon as you get access, use the discount link below, and you'll actually be able to log into the members area. So you can log into the members area right here and get access to it. So like I said, click the link, discount link below, and I was able to get you a discount link, so go ahead, click it. And if this at all interests you, I recommend you watch that video at the top. Just make sure this is something for you. Don't take my word for it. But go ahead, look through the testimonials, look through all the plans you get, and look through the giant list of different projects that you could do. So that's pretty much it. Thanks again for watching this video, guys. This has been my review for Ted's Woodworking, his 16,000 wood plans. And I appreciate the time. Like I said, click the link below, get started. Whether you want to do this as a business or it's just a hobby for you, it's the perfect place to get started. So click the link below and get started. And let me know how it goes for you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks.